In this lesson, you will learn about tonal/color gradation. A tonal gradation simply means the value steps going from light to dark. Tonal gradation is like a transition from one shade to another shade. That is from the lightest to the darkest shade. So now, looking at the image you have on your screen, you will notice that the color number 9, it's black, but gradually as it goes to number 8, number 7, you will notice that it begins to get lighter a little until it finally gets to number 1, where it becomes completely white. So now you can see the transition from the darkest, which is number 9, to the lightest, which is number 1. Tonal gradation is applied in a drawing to make a drawing look realistic. This tells you that whenever you are making a drawing, there must be the effect of light and shade in your drawing to make your drawing look realistic. So now let's go over to color gradation. What is color gradation? Color gradation simply means the transition from one hue or from one color to another color, but of a different shade. It could be lighter or it could be darker. The main difference between color gradation and tonal gradation is that color gradation has to do with the use of colors, while tonal gradation has to do with the use of our pencil in our drawing. The image you have on your screen now is a perfect example of a color gradation chart. So how do we tint our colors? Our colors are tinted by adding white to a particular color, and our colors are shaded by adding black to a color. For instance, we have color red here. Subsequent adding of white to color red will give us a lighter shade of red, and subsequent adding of black to color red will give us a darker shade of red. First of all, you make different shapes of your choice. Then you paint one of the different shapes you've drawn with your hue. Remember, hue, it's a color that has not been tinted nor shaded. So after that, the next step is to shade that particular color with a little black. You have to be careful when using black. You just have to add a little. Then you go further to paint another shape you've drawn. Remember, I said that you are to draw different shapes from the onset. So you just paint another shape of it with the color you've shaded. So you would notice that by the time you continue shading with color black, it will get to a point that the particular color you've been using to shade will turn to black entirely. So same procedures should also be applied when shading color yellow. That is, you paint another shape with your color hue, and then you start applying black to shade the color in another shape or in another box. So eventually, as you continue shading it, your color yellow will change into black. Again, we want to shade for color blue. You repeat the same procedures we carried out in shading color black and color yellow. That is by subsequently adding black to the color yellow to give us different shades. Right now we are through with shading our color. The next procedure is to tint our color. Remember, by tinting our color we are to add white to the hue, that is the main color. So by tinting color red, we add white to it. Lastly, we have tones. That's the making of tones color. You mix white and black to give us gray, and with that gray color we can now use it to mix our colors to get our tones of different colors.